If you find that Notepad is not present on your Windows 11 computer, there is a straightforward solution. We will begin by locating the Notepad application, even if it appears to be uninstalled. In the Windows search bar, type Notepad. If it appears in the search results, click on the downward pointing arrow next to it and select the uninstall option. Allow the uninstallation process to complete. Once Notepad is confirmed to be gone from your system, our next step is to retrieve it from the Microsoft Store. Open the Windows search bar again and type Store. Select the Microsoft Store application from the results. Within the Microsoft Store, use the search function to find Notepad and press Enter. You will see an entry for Windows Notepad. Click on the Install option. The application will then begin to download and install on your system. This process may take a little while depending on your internet connection speed. It is important to ensure you are installing the official Notepad application developed by Microsoft Corporation, identifiable by its significant number of ratings, such as around 15,000. This is the recommended and correct way to resolve the missing Notepad issue. Hope this was helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe if you enjoyed. As always, thanks for watching and I will see you in the next video.